Tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by a microorganism called Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and it commonly involves the lungs of the patients. And whenever this patient coughs, sneezes or talks, these organisms come out and infect other patients. The diagnosis of tuberculosis is made by looking at the organism through the microscope. Now DOTS is the strategy which is adopted by our government and implemented all over our country. But for this, patient has to take regular treatment for at least 6 to 8 months. Many patients who stop taking treatment on their own, then the disease comes back, and this time there is a fear that the disease may not respond to the earlier drugs which have been used. And if they show resistance to commonly used drugs, that is INH and rifampicin, it is scientifically or technically termed as MDR, that is multi-drug resistant TB. Now, because this organism is not responding to two very important anti-tubercular drugs, category 4 treatment, we have to use all the new drugs and other drugs which have been used earlier. Now, this category 4 treatment is of a very long duration, almost of 24 months, where patient needs to also take injectables for 6 months and has to consume lot of tablets. This treatment is very costly. Efficacy is less than what has been given earlier, and the drugs prove to be quite toxic also. For 24 months we have to do lot of counseling of the patient, but here if the patient defaults or does not take treatment and then the disease resurges, this time it would prove very difficult to treat, because now there are chances that patient has developed extensive drug resistance, what is termed as XDR scientifically. And now patient is not responding to INH and rifampicin as well as the injectables which we have given in category 4.
6 महीने का कोर्स करा था ना, हालत अच्छी बन गई थी उसकी।
अच्छी हो गई थी?
हाँ, अच्छी हालत हो गई थी, अच्छा मोटा हो गया था। फिर उसके बाद में 6 महीने का कोर्स बंद करने के बाद में मतलब धीरे धीरे कहीं पेट में दर्द, उल्टी, लैट्रिन, बुखार, ठंडी देके बुखार, ऐसा हो गया।
6 महीने की गोली खाने के बाद में भी ये गोली बीमारी बढ़ गई मेरी।
क्या सोचे कि 6 महीने का कोर्स हो गया तो खत्म हो गई होंगी बीमारी।
ये क्या है, दवा खाने के बाद में भी हो सकता, कभी कभी उभाड़ कर देती है ना बीमारी, कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाता है।
शुरू में जो दवा रहती है तो बहुत भारी पड़ती है, यानी कि उससे उल्टी भी हो सकती है, हजम भी नहीं होती। 2 साल हो गया AIT की चालू है। वो बीमारी के बारे में यहाँ से पहले पानी निकाला गया, पानी निकालने के बाद फिर वो टीबी बता दिए, टीबी बताने के बाद फिर AIT की दवा चालू हुई, तो दोनों दवा साथ में चालू हुई। पहले क्या था, पावर दूसरी दवा देते थे, अभी सेकंड लाइन चल रहा है।
अभी सेकंड लाइन चालू है?
हाँ, सेकंड लाइन।
पर सेकंड लाइन पे क्यों आया, जब पहले लाइन पे आपका हो गया
तो पहले लाइन पे 2 साल दवा दिए AIT की, तो 1 साल असर ही नहीं करी।
असर नहीं करी दवा?
हाँ, यानी कि जख्म में पकड़ ही नहीं रही थी।
अच्छा।
फिर उसके बाद यहाँ से वहाँ कर दिए, तो वहाँ से कैप्सूल और दवा दूसरी बदल दी।
Today there is an urgent need of having newer anti-tubercular drugs, and an ideal new anti-tubercular drug would be one which shortens the duration of treatment, one which is more efficacious, one which proves to be cost effective and does not have many side effects. Because since last almost 50 years there has been no development of new solely dedicated anti-tubercular drug. India accounts for at least 1/5 of the global burden of tuberculosis is in India. That means we have a huge number of patients who are suffering from tuberculosis. The government of India has launched the program RNTCP, which covers every nook and corner of our country, and every patient gets quality drugs, every patient gets a good diagnostic opportunity, and every patient is free to choose his own DOT center to take treatment and complete the duration and get cured.